Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Atwade Okundia. I come from Benin City, from Iriri. I've been in Europe for more than 16 years. I have the kids here, but I want to know something about things because there is a lot of things that happen in Nigeria now. I heard about Boko Haram, I heard Fulani X-Men, even though now I'm still hearing about Biafra. But I thank God today, I'm here in Passau. We are here now, we sit together as one Nigeria, but I don't know, we are arguing about Biafra.
No, not one Nigeria, don't put that one.
That place you will start.
I'm not from Nigeria.
But I want to know something now in Germany. But we have been here for long. Everybody claim Nigeria.
No, I didn't.
Brother, let me tell you what you don't understand. Everybody claim Nigeria, but what make you people want to change that country? We don't want to unite.
You have a relationship with someone. Understand? The person now told you that this relationship, and they don't want this relationship anymore.
Okay, what kind of relationship do you have to go to Onisha and buy things? Because I know that we are one body. I know we are one Nigeria. But this moment, I don't understand what happened. Whether you people want to divide that country, I don't know.
Hello, Mr. Man. I want to correct you. There is no any way we are one Nigeria. One come to our food, our religion. Everything concerning the Igbo and Igbo man and a Biafra man and Nigerian man is quite different. And if you look at it, what is happening now is a little for what happened in 1967 in Kaduna, where we decided not to be in Nigeria again. We are the Nigerians, and the Hausas, the Fulanis. In 1960, when our colonial masters amalgamated us together, there were nothing like Fulanis. Nigerians are about Nigerians is the Igbos, the Yoruba, and the Hausas. In 1960, the Yoruba and Igbos, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe brought the Hausa, the Fulanis, together to Nigeria. So if you ask about Biafra, we never been one Nigeria because since 1970 the war ended. We have been no rights anymore in Nigeria. The Nigerian stole away our rights. We have no rights anymore in Nigeria. So now this is the reason why now we decided not to be with Nigerian again. Biafran is a country of its own from origin.
Oh, brother, I'm sorry to say. One thing I want to hear from Nigeria, what I would like to understand from you now, but you will know that the Hausa men, the way they are using us now, they are separating many things, but we need to unite together, not to give chance to the Fulani X-Men, because now you see the country like we are just like a slave to Hausa, but we don't need that. That is one thing I would like to hear from
my brother, this is what I have in the first place. I told you that there is nothing like one Nigeria. There is nothing like united. We have been separated from since 1970. Biafra has been from 1967 till 1970 as a country of our own. We have our currency, we have everything that make a Biafran to be as a sovereign nation. You cannot come here, you tell me that a Yoruba man, an Igbo man or Hausa man, we are one. Why? You know that our language will never be the same, our tradition, our everything about us is different.
But sorry to say about that, because I know that Nigeria have a lot of language. It doesn't mean that we are not the same. what you have to say that the way things are going on in Nigeria, or the way things are going on in that country, that is what made Biafra to come out that they want to get on their own, they want to be on their own. They don't want to be with Nigeria, or they don't want to do things with Hausa. Okay, like now I'm a Benin man. But okay, now when Igbo man said that they want to be on their own, they don't want to be together, we don't want to be united, because I know that right from time I've never seen Igbo man rule that country as a president. But what Nigeria have to do now, they should give Igbo man to be a president in that country, so that things can change. Because I know Igbo man used to do many things. When you talk of manufacturing something, producing something, Igbo man have the brain to do all things. When you talk of shoes, talk of clothes, talk of many things, I know that. But I'm a Benin man, I know that we cannot do that. I know Igbo man can do that, because for me, I'm a Benin man. I'll never make a friend with a Benin people, but I can greet a Benin people, because I used to move with a Benin people, but it doesn't mean. Right from time in Europe, all my life, I'm used to move with Igbo people, with another tribe. Because what happened, Nigeria to give Igbo man chance to rule, if Igbo man can change that country, to make that country to be better. That is what I want from Igbo man. Not that Biafra, today Biafra, but it will cause a lot of crisis in that country. A lot of things that will make that country not to be settled down, because the white men can come there and cheat us again the way they do us before.
I want to tell you something.
That is only
I want to tell you something. This chance you are talking about, we don't need this chance anymore. For a long time we wanted this chance, and this chance is not given to us. Now we want a nation of our own. We don't need this chance anymore. This chance have been Nigeria have been denying this chance from us.
I'm sorry to say, brother. Okay, now when Nigeria, maybe Biafra want to separate yourself from Nigeria.
We have already separated ourselves. No. You don't have to. No. It's already in the history, in world history. Don't say if Biafra want to separate yourself. We have already separated.
Is it done now?
The world knows about Biafra. The world knows this Biafra as a sovereign nation. The rising sun must surely one day come. You understand me? Don't say don't.
Okay, now how do you want to do it to those things for your dream to come to pass? How do you want to do it?
No need to tell you.
The dream is already here.
When time comes,
the dream is already here. It's not when time comes. It's already here. The world. If you go to the world, you see that the Biafran is only sovereign nation that is protested the first among the all that is protesting for the freedom.
I want to ask you one thing. Do you know the thing happen? So kind of crisis that happened in Libya. Do you want that kind of crisis to happen in Nigeria? To Nigeria not to be together?
No, don't finish. They are still talking.
Hello. I have said this. I said this several times. We have tolerated the zoo enough. We don't need this to happen. Whatever that will happen, let it happen. Biafra or no or nothing.
Sorry, I have one question to ask. If Biafra should come to pass, which I believe that Biafra will definitely come to pass.
Yeah, surely.
And I want to ask this question: will Beni people, which I grew up to know as Bendels, will they come with Biafra?
No, they are not. I want to answer. Do you want to answer? The Beni people we have Bendel.
No, Bendel comes from Benin.
Well, yeah, I know, but he said, wait.
Bendel comes from Benin.
I want to answer her according to what you asked. Okay, come again with the question so that you listen. Come again.
If Biafra come to pass, which Biafra will definitely come to pass by the grace of Chukwu Okike Abioma. Will they take Benin State or Benin City along with the Biafrans? Because I grew up knowing Benin City is Bendel. I never knew them as Benin.
For me, I will tell you, wait, brother, let me tell you, listen to me. Let me tell you, like me, I'm a real Benin. Let me remove my cap in my head. But for me, I would like Benin. Not that because you are Igbo man here, because I sit here with you people, or maybe I'm be friends with you people. But for me, I love Igbo man because they have experience, they have the education for produce for many things where we say we Benin can still learn. But when, because them say Ododuwa, Yoruba, this, that, but for me, I will not allow Benin to go with Yoruba because why? Yoruba will betray with Benin at the end of the day.
Yoruba
that is what I believe. That is what I believe. Don't insult. Don't insult.
Let me answer your question very well. You see, your question is that the Bini people are they part of Bendel? Because Biafran, we have a map.
Of course.
It ends at Asaba. Asaba is part of Bini. We have the map, we know where Biafra map ended. There is no way Bini city from Bini we will come tomorrow and say they are Biafrans. I'm not saying this because of maybe this we are just here to God. I'm telling you this according to the history and according to the Biafran map. Bini, they are the people that owns Lagos State. They are the people supposed to own the Oduduwa, but they say they are birthright. I don't know, you're a Bini man, maybe you know this thing I'm talking about. So, I will cut it this way, I don't want to go far there. But there is no, in anywhere, Bini will be a Biafra. Biafra has a map. If that I have an internet here, I will show you the map of Biafra. The map of Biafra stop from Asaba.
But part of Asaba, it's also part of Benin.
Part of Asaba is part of Benin. The part of Asaba, which is the part of Benin, they give it to them. Like now, if you talk about Uromi, Uromi is close to, supposed to be Igbo side.
It's an eastern part.
You understand me? I don't know, you're a Bini person if I'm lying.
It's maybe from Anchi side, Kasem.
I will tell you some villages, but they are out of the map. There is nothing can change it. You I don't know. You will never force to change the map, because if you force to change the map, what happens to Nigerian those days is going to happen to Biafran tomorrow. You understand me? Like now, the same Benue people are saying the same thing. They are the Fulani are coming to their city and kill them and do whatever, so. But they forgot that the people that fought the Biafran war is Benue and Plateau states. The whole, even today, the Nigerian soldier. I'm telling you the history, I know, I don't know. I'm telling you this, if you like, you go through about.
No, brother, you know what's in there?
Let me finish.
To learn and to understand each other.
Okay. The Benue is like Bini people. You understand me? From Idoma, you know where they call Idoma? If Benin, Alede, you get Idoma. Normal Idoma supposed to be Biafran, but that Idoma is the boundary of Biafra. Idoma, they speak Igbo. This is Benue State. I don't know if type it in internet. Idoma, they speak Igbo, but they are Benue.
But you know what you are saying? When you say what you say, type it in Italian. You know Italian make with human being.
Why I set up in internet, you will see the map of Biafra.
The way
You are going to see the map of Biafra.
the way we are talking on internet, the way we are talking, you can still write anything you like.
I don't have this.
Wait.
I know what I'm telling you, but I'm telling you for you to go and do the research.
Listen. Let me ask you one question.
You do your research and you see what I'm telling
Can
you.
you tell me the meaning of Nigeria?
Nigeria, the meaning of Nigeria, the way I know, I cannot say the meaning of Nigeria because I just know right from time that we are all one, the way we are in Germany. Germany, before there was a war here called
First World War and Second World War.
Second World War called Adolf Hitler in this country. But today, even though it fights many countries, but today they are one body. They are together as one nation, as one country. But today now, the country,
I want to go do small shopping.
and the country is okay. And the country now, we are running to this country to stay here. If we can unite so, the same thing, then yourself will run to our country. We will unite.
I want to correct one thing. You talk about German. German is not divided as a country. German divided because they want to rule the world. Adolf Hitler want to rule the world, and after he was defeated, the France has some parts, the England has some parts, Americans have some parts. You understand me? American divide German, not that they are one country because they call Western German, Eastern German. This is how they divide the German. They did not say that you are in your own country. You understand me? You listen to me. The American divide the German, France, Russia, America, England, France, 4 parts. They divide it. They did not say that you are a country of your own. Then after the war, some years, when Adolf Hitler was defeated, they decided to come together as the same one German they are. It's different to compare about Biafran issue. You don't use this country and
now
compare Biafra.
when we are starting this war now, Biafra, this, na. Okay, at the end of the day now, those things, at the end of the day now, this thing starts now. Okay, the country is not settled. At the end of the day, the white men, the people that used to betray us, that used to use us, at the end of the day, they will come back. How do you want the country again to settle?
Which settlement? If they are going to come back to Biafra, is to settle the land masses.
This is what you believe.
Yeah. This and so it will be.
Okay.
So shall it be.
Okay, thank you, brother. I just want to hear this from you because I know that we are arguing, we are fighting.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I
am an Igbo man.
Okay.
I'm a prince from
man.
Abreba.
One love,
This is one love, man.
Yeah.
Take care.
Austria, and God bless you. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you think what those guys are arguing are not right, feel free to comment below. And sorry that I could not do an introduction because I bumped into them arguing about the Biafra and I found this so interested. God bless you guys. See you in my next video. Stay blessed.